Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Realty. Today I'm going to take you on a quick 3-home tour of 3 different price points in Celina. I'm always getting questions about what people are able to get for their dollar. And you guys, as you know, this market is absolutely crazy and the prices are continuing to increase. So right now, as of February 2022, we're going to look at what you can get for $1 million plus, $750 and $550. So let's go take a look. Okay guys, stop 1 on our tour of 3 homes in Celina at the different price points. What does $1 million get you? Well, Tradition Homes has a beautiful floor plan. Let's go check them out. This one's in Mustang Lakes. Okay y'all, so now we're at the middle price point. This house behind me is Castle Rock's 2-story plan. It's their model and it's going for $750. So let's go take a quick tour. Okay guys, and now I'm in front of Stone Hollow. This is what you can get for around $550. Let's go take a quick look. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour. I hope I helped answer some of your questions. If you have more or if you're looking for an expert realtor in Celina or Prosper, please reach out. I would love to work with you. You can call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom call with me via the link below. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.